OpenClaw is still ruling the AI world. It is definitely smart, but every session it starts from zero. Same mistakes, same patterns, no growth. And we have seen it in all of these videos where we have covered it from various angles. That is where this new tool, MetaClaw, is trying to help. It is letting you talk to your agent normally in text, of course, and it gets better automatically. You don't need any complex setup and it requires only 2 to 3 commands. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we are going to test it out. It also rewires your existing OpenClaw. Now, if you check it out, this is my Ubuntu system, by the way, where I already have OpenClaw installed. Let me quickly show you the status. I'm also using a bit of an older version, not the updated version. You can see that it is at the moment integrated with my Ollama based models. If you want to learn how to do that, just go to my channel, search with OpenClaw and watch this first video. Now, let me try to explain in bit more detail how exactly this MetaClaw is helping. Most agents are stateless by design, and that's a very important point. Every conversation starts fresh. You fix the same issues repeatedly, explain your preferences over and over, and the agent never carries forward what it learned. Even with memory tools like ByteRover, which we covered in the previous video, and you can see that even it is loaded here where it is using some memory. The thing is that the agent is only recalling facts. It is not actually improving its behavior. MetaClaw is trying to be different here. It sits between OpenClaw and your LLM as a proxy. It intercepts every conversation, injects the most relevant skills into the system prompt at every turn, and after each session automatically distills what happened into new skills using your own LLM. The skill library grows with your usage, no manual curation, no training pipeline to manage, and that's a big selling point if it works seriously. So let's get it installed and then we will see how exactly this works. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, and also consider becoming a member because membership is what keeps the channel going. Also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So let's get it installed. I'm just going to clear it. Let me quickly show you my operating system. And because I am using this Ollama based model, which is Quen 3.5 32 billion, my GPU card is this NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good prices, you can find a link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So first up, let's git clone the repo of MetaClaw, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Now let's install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. And everything is installed. Next up, just run the setup command. And at the start, as you can see, the MetaClaw agent injects and learns skills from conversations, no training involved, and that is what we are selecting. If you go with the RL mode, it is same as above, but also fine-tunes the model weights in real time via Tinker Cloud or something, and you would need a paid API for that, which we obviously don't want. So I'm just going to press enter here. And for the LLM provider, I would prefer to go with Ollama, so I'm just going to press enter because it already selected custom. For API based URL, I'm going to give it the default Ollama URL from my local system. And for the model ID, I will just paste this Ollama model. And for the API key, just any random value, I will just call it Ollama here. If it would let me. Okay, I think it is doing something, but it is not printing on the screen. So that is fine. I'll just press enter here. And of course, we want to enable the skill injection. So MetaClaw automatically inserts the most relevant skills from your library into the agent's system prompt before every response. And then just press enter for this default directory. And yes, we also want to do the auto summarization. So yes, and I want to configure the proxy too. So let's go with the default port. Now, if you have your own skills, you can simply copy them to the MetaClaw bank like this, or I'm just copying it from their repo. And once that's done, all there is to do is to just start the MetaClaw with the simple MetaClaw start command. And there you go, it's all done and running. And you can see that it has also wired into our OpenClaw gateway. And the best thing is it is running all local. It is using our Quen model here and with the Ollama, so you don't need to pay any API calls at all. Another key thing to note down here is at the top you see that it has loaded 5 general plus 27 task specific skills from the skill bank, which we copied from their repo. And there are also some mistakes just as a random one, just to remember, just to do the demo. And then it has also restarted everything, and now we can access or use it from OpenClaw or from any other API endpoint, just like we are using OpenClaw. Now, in another terminal window, you can simply check the MetaClaw status, and that should be running, which means your proxy is all good. There you go. And you can even check the configuration if it is using your model. So you can see that it is all good there. Now, if you go and then just launch your OpenClaw, it will run normally, but behind the scene, it is using your proxy. And these are all the skills and all the memories which it has retained. You see that it now knows about me, and randomly you can put anything of your choice, your profile, whatever tags you want to do, and a lot of other stuff around timing and the workspace. So for example, if you ask the MetaClaw to write me a Python script that monitors a directory for new files and logs them with timestamp, so this is OpenClaw. So MetaClaw behind the scene will just generate a new skill. So let's run this. And now let me show you that skills file. You see that it has created a new file, which is primarily where MetaClaw has distilled our conversation like this into a reusable skill. So next time, whenever you ask anything about file monitoring, this pattern gets injected into the agent's context automatically before it even starts thinking. So look, I think pretty good tool, trying to do a valuable thing instead of just replicating OpenClaw. And because if it works correctly, the more you use it, the sharper it gets. And it turns every conversation into your agent's long-term expertise. Pretty nifty idea, I would say. That's it. Let me know what do you think about it. And look, we have covered OpenClaw so much with its variants. If you have built something with OpenClaw, you want me to cover it if it is free and open source, let me know. Happy to cover it if it adds any value. Thank you for all the support. Again, please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.